Hey guys, it's my sister, back with video. Now walking back down. I will call this video Nature Trail in reverse. And this time we're doing one long part. I can't both upload 3 videos. So guys, you're getting 4 videos today. How's about that? Well, I've already uploaded the first 3. Those are already uploaded.
Right,
So
watch. No, not just you, baby. Man, I'm not good.
Yeah.
I just wanted it to you. Wait, watch.
This is what I put up with.
That's
Oh, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi's gone off because I've walked away from the sisters. Anyway, yeah. So videos are already uploaded. So yeah. My voice just broke. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm just doing an impression. Anyway, we're going down this way. Matt, should we go right street way? Oh, yeah, it would be a longer video. But, who wants views? I'm right. Wait, no, people. Yeah, I want views, so let's go the less way, because more people will watch it till the end. Shut up! 360 camera scope. Right. We're not going that way. We're going field way, right?
Yeah.
Because field way is better. It's a bit more brand new to us. This time we're doing one long part. We're not flipping the cameras around. You're not getting 3 videos. You're only getting 1 this time. I might upload this video tomorrow, depending on how I feel. I don't know when I'm going to upload it. All I know is you guys are getting another video. Can't even speak English. Parkour! Oh, I'm going bushy way. Bush. Guys, this camera's all over the place because I'm running. It's all bumpy. Come, Mads, run! Whoa, I actually nearly broke my ankle, but I'm okay.